In this video, we bring to you a spectacular shipping container home in Lower Hutt, Wellington, New Zealand. Welcome back. This cool country pad in New Zealand is built out of a 40-foot shipping container propped up by the hill on one end and an additional 20-foot container on the lower side. On the bottom level, there is a 20-foot container that serves as a workshop and a home office. Next to the container is a laundry alcove. The top level is connected to the lower level via an external staircase, which is what is called home. The main entrance opens into a tastefully decorated living space. The open concept living room features a cozy lounge space furnished with comfortable sofa seats and a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall for entertainment. The lounge space has got floor-to-ceiling glass windows that provides maximum daylighting into the home. During the day, it is a perfect place to relax with a book or a drink as you soak in the view of the forests, the fields, and the wild game. Next to the lounge is the home's contemporary kitchen. It features stainless steel appliances, under the counter, storage cabinets, and open shelving. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large horizontal glass window that lights up the sink space and floods the kitchen with natural light. In addition, the kitchen is fitted along one of the container walls to free up the living room for other functions. Opposite the kitchen is a well-lit dining area, big enough to sit 2 or 4. The dining area can also serve as a children's playing area. On the other end of the container is a comfortable bedroom. The bed space is designed and decorated in an atmosphere that is warm and relaxing. Next to the bedroom is a luxurious dark-themed bathroom. The spa-like bathroom features a fully tiled bathtub and shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity, and some storage. The wood flooring used throughout the house gives it a beautiful and natural pattern, providing a warm and comfortable atmosphere. The house has a stunning hardwood timber deck, providing an expansive outdoor living space for entertainment. This amazing outdoor space is also ideal to sit and soak in the captivating views. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible from the outside to celebrate the industrial vibe of the design. Which part of this amazing container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.